In this video, we will learn how to solve this nice radical equation. If you look at the square root of 5, it looks like the square root of 5 is progressive. We have square root of 5, we have the cube root, we have the fourth root and the fifth root, and is equal to 5 to the power of y. Now, how do we find the value of y? Now, let's get started. From this expression, we are asked to find the value of y. Now, from this expression, you come to see, I want you to recall that whenever you have the square root of anything called roots, there are things we must do in order to simplify that. That this square root can easily give you what? You can easily make this square root exponent. Now, how do we change this square root to exponent? If we have the square root of a, square root of a can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 2. And if we have the cube root of a, cube root of a can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 3. So that means we can simply change those roots we have over there. Now, considering the question, we are going to simplify those roots. Now, to simplify those roots, we are going to have the first one is going to give us 5 to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 divided by 3, that's the cube root, multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 divided by 5, and this will be equal to 5 to the power of 2y. Great. Now, having expanded this, we'll now come to apply the laws of indices. Now, I want you to recall this in the law of indices. In the law of indices, whenever we are given a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y multiplied by a to the power of m. Now, because they have same base, this can be equal to a to the power of x plus y plus m. Great. So that simply tells us that that expression can now become 5 to the power of 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 5, and all these will be equal to 5 to the power of 2y. Great. Now let's expand the exponent. From that expansion, we'll come to see that we'll have 5. We'll have that to now become 5 all to the power of, the LCM of that denominator will give us 60. So 60 divided by 2 is going to give us 30. 30 times 1 is 30. Plus 60 divided by 3 is going to give us 20. 20 times 1 is going to give us 20. Plus 60 divided by 4 is going to give us 15. 15 times 1 will give us 15. And then we'll have finally 60 divided by 5 is going to give us 12. 12 times 1 is equal to 12. And this will be equal to 5 to the power of 2y. So if we sum up the numerator of that fraction, we're going to have the numerator to be 77 divided by 60, and this will be equal to 5 to the power of 2y. Great. Now, we'll come back to a law of indices. In that law of indices, if we have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, as long as they have same denominator, then our x can be equal to y. We'll equate the exponent. So considering this, we can now say that considering the same base, we can now say that 77 divided by 60 can now be equal to 2 what? Y. With this, we can be able to easily find the value of y. Now, to find the value of y, we'll multiply 77 divided by 60, multiply by 60, we'll multiply both sides by 60, and this will give us 2y multiplied by 60. While this clears this, we'll be left with what? 77 on the left hand side to be equal to 120y, because 2 times y is going to give us 120. Great. So to get the value of y, we're going to divide 120 both sides by 120. If we divide both sides by 120, we'll have 77 divided by 120. And the value of our y, finally, if this clears this, the value of our y will now be equal to 77 divided by 120. And that will be the solution to that exponential equation that is given to us earlier. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.